eating food is so good.
Eating food is so good.
Tambda Rassa, misal pav, Kolhapuri chicken. पानी यहाँ तक आ गया मेरे यहाँ तक.
Everything 10 out of 10 for me. Kishan, tell the vlog what your thoughts were. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Hey everyone.
What's up, people?
Welcome back to the channel.
First of all, yesterday when we met Arijit, we went to Arijit's show. It was amazing. Like loved it. So क्योंकि आज हम San Francisco में ही हैं.
And we are here to eat some Indian food and Indian food trucks.
Food truck, like because मैं जब भी आपसे बात करता हूँ ना, I always tell that I have never done this. But honestly, like I have never been to a Indian food truck in America. Like Indian street food, I have done a lot. Should we consider this as an Indian street food, like thelas?
I mean, this is the most street food that America gets in food trucks.
So San Francisco में Indian food trucks हैं बहुत सारे. So let me introduce you guys as well, show you guys as well. But before we start this video, what do you gotta do? Like this video, like it, comment what you guys want us to do next, and subscribe.
So we are at the epicenter of 4 different trucks. One has Bhaji, one is like chaat and curry and stuff. This one's called the Feast India Company, and I was told that there's really good chai there, and it's a little thandi today, so I kind of want that.
And as per I know, I think Be Unique is an Indian YouTuber. He owns this, or he is a partner in it, something like that.
And then Momo Grill. We've got our friend Jack over there getting some momos.
Let's go. Let's get some momos. This is a Momo Grill. What do we have here? Chicken momos, chicken fried momos, chicken chili momos, veggie fried momos.
I also got like
chicken lollipop, chili chicken, chicken Manchurian, gobi Manchurian. Oh, Chanel, you love gobi Manchurian, don't you?
I love Manchurian in general.
Yep. सुबह से ना अभी 2:30 बज रहा है और सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है. So I'm really very hungry. So let's order something right now. Jacqueline, what you got?
So we're gonna get the fried chicken momo, the chicken lollipop, and you want the gobi manchurian?
Yeah, I think so. That sounds good.
Oh, perfect. That's perfect. So this is a Feast India company. Do you want vada pav? Vada pav?
For sure, bro.
Vada pav for
We can
sure.
do Vada pav, but can we get chai here?
Yeah.
We got really good chai.
Can we have 4 cutting chai and 4 piece of vada pav? So we got pav bhaji.
Wow.
Cheese pav bhaji.
Okay. I don't think we've
I
ever...
like the buns.
We don't... Nice. I don't think we usually put cheese on our pav bhaji. I don't really...
Yeah, I have never tried cheese pav bhaji because I love my regular normal pav bhaji.
They have regular, they have spicy, they have cheese.
So you got cheese?
Cheese.
Okay. I'm super excited and I'm super hungry and I just want to go and eat. Let me try it again.
And first impressions.
As an American, I feel like I'd really like this.
Let me try. Without nimbu, you can't eat.
Wow.
It's good?
I like it a lot.
Really?
Yeah. I don't think it's as spicy as you like.
Okay.
I feel like you'd want something spicier.
Oh,
Yeah?
it's so good. It's so good.
Are you sure you guys are not hungry? And it's actually good.
Maybe, but it's really good too.
I give this cheesy pav bhaji like a 10 out of 10. Like so good. Full stars.
I give it an 8 because it's not that spicy. But it's really good. Just do it.
I really wanted coffee this morning, and so I'm excited for my full glass of chai.
We all got cutting and Chanel were like, no, I don't want cutting. I want full. But that pav bhaji was so good. I still think like if it was spicy, it'll be the perfect pav bhaji. Cheers.
Auntie, yes, I'm ready for the
अभी ले लो.
We made vada pav with mommy, like from scratch.
Yeah. Look at this cheese vada pav. मिला था?
चाय पी रहा था तभी इधर खड़ा था.
सारा खाना हमारा आ रहा है.
Oh wow, that's a lot of chai. This is the gobi.
Yeah, it is.
वो vada pav is very nice.
Gobi Manchurian.
They will give you ये नमक वाली मिर्ची fried.
Like, must blame.
The gobi Manchurian is delicious, and you have it all over your face. It's cute.
What is it?
Everything. You have it on your nose. You have it on your lips and your beard. You're cute.
She's really enjoying it.
Yeah. So you take a bite of vada pav.
So you want to buy Maggie? Together. I need to buy.
Okay.
I am wrong. Very good. How about really?
Try the momos.
Tell me.
I like the mirchi.
Right?
Like biting the mirchi, I like that. I feel like it needs a chutney.
It's like soul food.
See, look at all the food we got. So this is gobi manchurian,
That's a Manchurian. It's good.
fried momos, chicken 65. Getting chai. What a day! What a day!
It's really nice. It's way better than like when we did Holi and that food truck did the gobi Manchurian. This is much fresher. And the Vada pav is so crunchy.
Right?
Like it's nice. It's fresh.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
We have so much food.
So nice.
I'm going to say something controversial. I don't think so. I like momos.
Why?
I don't know, like all the time that I had momos, I'm not a fan of it. Like people will be like, "Are you crazy? How can you hate momos?" Not hate, but I'm not a fan of momos.
I really like momos. Like a lot. A lot.
Eating food is so good.
Eating food is so good.
This makes you so happy.
We even made chicken lollipops on our channel too. With Richard.
Yeah, thank you.
They're not that good.
But we
That was the
gave a
first
good
time.
shot.
That is good, right?
I love gobi. Like, gobi is one of my favorite foods.
What did you like about it?
The pav bhaji was my favorite.
Vada pav was really good.
But all of it was really nice. Like, there was nothing that I disliked at all.
Yeah, I think.
Everything, 10 out of 10 for me. Kishan, tell the vlog what your thoughts were. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. Pav Bhaji is amazing. Vada pav was the best.
So all in all, I feel like this was a massive success.
Yay!
So happy. I really want to stop right now क्योंकि मेरा पेट इतना बाहर आ चुका है. But मेरा मुंह रुक नहीं रहा है. Like I really want to just keep eating and eating and eating.
Later that same evening.
Alright, our last food truck of the day.
ये फूड ट्रक पे ना हम सुबह भी आए थे, बट ये सुबह था नहीं, बट इट्स रियली फेमस बिकॉज इट्स महाराष्ट्रियन.
Yes.
इस ट्रक का नाम है Swaraj India, and Swaraj is a Maharashtrian by Shivaji Maharaj. I'm not, मेरे को इतनी knowledge नहीं है, but I think it was a movement. Yeah, मेरे को basic knowledge नहीं है, sorry guys. But yeah, so हमने ऑर्डर कर दिया क्योंकि 20 मिनट में वो बंद होने वाला है. हम लेट आए.
And we're gonna eat it in the car because it's dandy.
Yeah, it's बहुत ठंडी है, but I'm gonna show you. So this is the food truck. This is Maharashtrian, you know. This is a Maharashtrian family.
This is our final night in San Francisco. We have to go back home to Roxy. But Kishan really wanted to eat at this place first.
See, this is the Maharashtrian family, complete. And this is Shivaji Maharaj. Do you know about them?
No.
Okay, so he is a very great Maharashtrian leader.
Okay.
Like once a time he was ruling more than half of India. He was strong. He was really short, but really strong, really smart, really powerful. He created a really big empire for himself with his brothers. So he's quite inspirational.
And that's what
to Maharashtrian.
and that's what they named their truck after.
There's a movement. His name is Shivaji, but he had a moment that, see, again, I'm not sure about it, but he had a Swaraj, I think it's freedom, I'm not sure, but he had a movement of freedom, so that's why it's Swaraj, you know.
Cute, love that. I love that.
Again, don't judge me if I don't know, because I know it is a big deal. I should know as a Maharashtrian, I should know about it, but just don't judge me. नहीं है knowledge तो नहीं है, you know. I can't just fake. मैं अभी Google पे देख के ही बता सकता हूँ, but I don't know. So ये देखो, मैंने अभी बुक कराया है कोल्हापुरी चिकन, तावड़ा रस्सा, मिसल पाव और चपाटी भेल. So तो ये रहा हमारा रात का डिनर. क्या नाम है इसका? नाम भूल गया मैं इसका. गाइस समझ लेना. भेल 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 भेल. तांबड़ा रस्सा, मिसल पाव, कोल्हापुरी चिकन. पानी यहाँ तक आ गया मेरे यहाँ तक. और ना ठंड बहुत है यहाँ पे अभी. हमको बाहर गाड़ी में ही खाना पड़ेगा. और शनेल गाड़ी में बैठी है, उसको बाहर नहीं निकलना. शनेल, you wanna come out of the car? You wanna come out of the car?
Inside the car, okay. Is this chat?
It's bhel, yeah.
Bale, yeah.
No, it's bhel, yes.
Bale, yes. Bale. It's just bale. Okay.
My God. Oh, bhel is really good. How was the missile, dude? You tried? No.
It's good. It's got nice flavor. It's got good spice. Good texture. Juicy chicken.
Love it.
Oh, nice. This is the peel.
It's tamra ratta. It's kind of a soup.
Do I eat it like soup?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just hot spicy soup.
Spicy soup. Is there a meat in this?
No,
It tastes like it's mutton.
it's called missile.
Okay.
Missile.
Not missile. Gotcha.
How is it?
Making you like
Dude.
What is this for?
The
And we
bread
got
and
some
missile, baby.
some pot.
Wow. Great.
Alright.
I didn't know you don't have rice.
That was nice.
Right? ठंड में खा रहे हैं, बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
Is there peanuts in that?
Yep.
Wow. That was
Peanuts
good.
and
Alright, so today was an amazing day full of eating Indian street food in San Francisco. What was your favorite of everything? I really like that pal bhaji.
Everything.
Yeah?
I
Can't pick?
no, can't compare. Go ahead. Like it's so good. I'm so happy.
Alright, I love you all so much. Give us a like if you liked the video. Comment down below what you want to see next.
And Chanel, we're gonna run in the car because it's so cold
And
for
I'm
us.
gonna go